Hello Tube, this is Praveen for TechMT. Ever experienced the frustration of worn out air cushions on your beloved Beat Studio 3? Well, fret not, because today we're diving deep into a super easy and wallet-friendly DIY on Beat Studio 3 air cushion replacement. Stick with us to restore the coziness to your audio experience, especially considering the air cushions are priced at just 499 rupees, offering superb quality without breaking the bank. Alright, step 1 is all about knowing your cushions. The cushion with charging port space typically goes on the side with a charging port. So, identify that port and let's get sticking. Moving on to the step 2, we're going to gently separate the old, worn out cushions from the headset. Using a nail cutter knife or a butter spreader, basically anything without sharp edges, we'll apply a bit of pressure and gently pry them away. Remember, they are glued on, so slow and steady does it. The final step in our Beat Studio 3 air cushion replacement journey is all about alignment and adhesion. Make sure to align the holes in the new cushions with the pins on the headset. Peel off the sticker, align, press, and voila! Your beats are back in the comfort game. Now, repeat the same for the other side, ensuring that the cushions are snugly fit and secure. And just like that, you have successfully replaced the air cushions on your Beat Studio 3. Wasn't that a breeze? Now you can jump to your favorite tunes without the discomfort of worn out cushions. If you found this Beat Studio 3 air cushion replacement guide helpful, smash that like button and share it with your friends who might be struggling with the same issue. Until next time, keep the beats rolling and stay comfortable.